Hey there, I'm Shannon, and today I am here with my co-hosts, my dogs, both of which are very confused right now. So obviously you guys have seen the title, which gives away pretty much everything I'm about to do, but I'm going to tell you what I'm doing anyway, in case you can't read. For those of you who don't follow me on social media, or don't keep up with me too much, A, what are you doing? And B, you probably haven't heard the news that I recently had one of my dreams come true. I'm sure many of you guys have heard of this brand called NeverTakeItOff, which is an absolutely stunning, immaculate jewelry line that I now have my very own line with. I am so stoked. I've seen so many of you guys wearing Never Take It Off bracelets at shows, just meeting you guys randomly out and about, and I am so stoked to finally be able to introduce you to my very own line that I designed all by myself. Not all by myself, with the help of the beautiful Never Take It Off people, but I had a very big hand in designing these bracelets, necklaces, etc. So this is my box, my Never Take It Off box. You can see it's from Never Take It Off, and it is to yours truly, Shannon Taylor. So I have had my box for about 2 days right here, and I've been so tempted to just open it and reseal it and pretend to do an unboxing in a video, but I wanted it to be authentic. This will be the first time that I've ever seen these pieces in the flesh, and probably a first for most of you as well. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Da 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 da! Newspaper! That is not newspaper, Shannon. Ah! Here it comes. Okay, let me take this off with you. Dun 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 dun! Oh my goodness. I have my very own note. Hey Shannon, here is your line. Please sign the cards for your signed card promotion and ship it back to us in a small box. Never Take It Off team. Oh, news to me and news to you. We're dropping a signed line over on Never Take It Off / Shannon Taylor. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's not the URL. I'll put the URL to this line right here. Okay, so we have a ton of goodies right here, and including, and I'm so excited, I've never seen this, my own little Never Take It Off vow card, which is so cute. That's my signature. It's so weird seeing my signature there, First of all, before I show you any of the actual jewelry pieces, I'm gonna read to you guys my little vow card, which comes with every single piece that you order. And I'm actually going to read you, before I read you my vows, the instructions that Never Take It Off leaves for these pieces of jewelry, because there's actually a really great meaning behind the entire company, and I'd like to share that with you all. Scooby! Thank you. So number 1, before tying it on, you must pick a vow or make one for yourself. Number 2, close your eyes, say it out loud or in your head, just swear it now. 3, cross your heart, tie in knots, and never take it off, which is my favorite part. Now, for my personal vows, which you can pick from or choose your own, my vows are be kind to yourself, be kind to the earth, be kind to animals, live hard as fuck, could not include the last 2 words there, but live hard as fuck, love as much and as deeply as you possibly can, and indulge in life. Get a dog, tattoo a cheeseburger, kill someone. Not that one, not that one. So we are going to be starting with one of my favorite necklaces. Like I said, they're all my favorites, so I'm probably gonna say that every single time, just disregard that. This is the first necklace I will be showing you guys. This necklace from my Never Take It Off line is one of my favorites. I knew I would say that, even though I just warned myself, because this one is just called New Pollution, and this one represents my band with Carson and everything we stand for, and I absolutely love how shiny and green and how much this little pendant absolutely reminds me of Pollution or something of the sort. I love the little clasps. They have the easiest little clasps ever, so you can actually put them on yourself. And it's a perfect length. It literally comes right where I would like a long necklace to. I love this. Trying to get you a better shot. Wow, look how cute and sparkly and green. Literally green everything is in this line. Not everything is green, but there is a lot of black and green because those are my colors. On the tiny little Never Take It Off tag that, I don't know if you can see this, but also has my name. Oh my god, you're seeing my fucking chipped ass teeth. I'm gonna move back. This also has my name, my signature, Shan, engraved on the one side with my little heart. And I sent in these signatures. It's actually my signature that is engraved into every single one of these pieces. These two next pieces come in kind of a bit of a set, and I absolutely adore them, and so far from what I've seen, these have been my best sellers so far. Starting with the necklace, I have a perfect, simplistic little black anchor, and for those of you who have been watching me forever, I wear a ton of anchors. I have anchors on my arms. Anchors have always been like a lifeline for me in my life, and so you can bet your ass I will be wearing this one all the time if you'd like to twin with me. This piece is called You're Dangerous, and it comes from the song Torture at Its Finest by New Pollution, my band with Carson. Oh my god. You can wear this one as short or as long as you would like, and I absolutely love it about this length. It is so cute. It kind of goes with my chest piece perfectly, so I am stoked on that. Like I said, this piece is called You're Dangerous, and that comes from the New Pollution song Torture at Its Finest, the chorus in that. If you haven't heard it, I really suggest you do, because that will make the next piece make a lot more sense as well. This next piece kind of goes with the first one, goes with the necklace. It is called Killing Your Crush, and it is another simplistic anchor. However, this one is a bracelet, and this is one you can truly tie on and never take it off. I love it. Oh my god. Look, it's just like so perfect. It almost looks like a little tattoo. Same with this one. Like, I just love the simplicity of these anchors. This one is called Killing Your Crush. I don't know if I said that, but again, it's from the song Torture at Its Finest by New Pollution, and 100% suggest you check that out. This next one is going to be a necklace that I'm going to be showing it to you, and it is also one you can tie on and never take it off, despite it being an actual necklace. This one here, still packaged a little bit, but as you can see, it has a lace to tie as a choker, or you can even wear it longer, but I'm gonna be putting this one on as a choker. I love the little thing on this piece. I know it's covered in plastic, so you can't see it, so let's take it off. Never take it off! This piece is called No Escaping My Love, and it comes from the music video, not the music video, the song we have a music video for called Tell Me Why or Benny Vidi Vici. So here we go. I'm gonna show you this pendant right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Another green rhinestone pendant, very sparkly. Oh, focus camera. Anyways, as you can see, or not see because my camera sucks and won't focus, this little bead is absolutely adorable. It is silver and green rhinestones. It almost looks like a little honeycomb to me, but with green instead of yellow. And we're gonna be tying this one on as a choker. This one I can actually do myself, so it's going on. Aww, that is so cute. So it's a little looser than I would do it if I could have a mirror and like tie it on myself behind. But as you can see, this follows true to the black and green theme, very much so, and I absolutely love it. These so far absolutely represent me. This next piece is a bracelet that we're gonna be following up with that I love also as well, and you can see how much I love rhinestones based on this one. I love sparkles, I love diamonds, I love jewels and gems. Again, we have another anchor piece. This one is called Fact and Fantasy, and it is in reference to, again, the Tell Me Why song from New Pollution. If you don't recognize those lyrics, you should definitely go rewatch it or give it a first watch. But yeah, this one has an adorable little blue crystal on it. Sorry, this is like the worst showing off of anything I've ever done. Ooh, this one's actually very interesting because on top of that, we have the clasp is different. We have a drag clasp that makes it smaller or larger, and I absolutely love that. I have never actually even owned a bracelet like this, so I am super happy that clasp is the clasp, because absolutely super useful. Anyone with a tiny wrist, a large wrist, anyone can wear this and it will fit absolutely perfect, and I can put it on myself, yes. This bracelet right here is called Pushing Daisies. One of my first songs, probably my most popular song to date. There we go. Nice, we got it to focus. Has 3 little daisies. This one is not green and black, however it is blue and black, and I absolutely think this one is adorable. Again, everything I do must be shiny, so You got some shine and rhinestones on these as well. Well, these are more so shiny beads than rhinestones, but girl, do I love them. And even though it's in the past, I definitely love that I have a piece to pay homage to my first successful song. I'm really happy that we went with this design because how adorable is that? Little daisies wherever you go. But this is the last one that I have to show you, and it is called Flowers in My Wounds, and it actually goes with the tattoo on my thigh. So for those of you who haven't seen it, which is probably not very many of you, but here it is. I have sunflowers. Apparently I've turned into Mike Tyson. I have sunflowers tattooed on my thigh with a quote that says, "Stick flowers in my wounds, grow a garden in my side." So this one, in regards to that, is called Flowers in My Wounds, and absolutely adorable. This one follows the green and black pattern. Let me take it out of the plastic so you can actually see what we're looking at. So here we are. We have the green and black shiny beads because shiny, shiny, shiny. And we have a little sunflower. I absolutely adore sunflowers, and they're my favorite flower because no matter what hardships they go through, they always grow towards the sun, and that's my reasoning for having sunflowers being my favorite flower and having them so largely tattooed on my body. Finally, I have two more to show you that also come in a bit of a set, and they are both called Little by Little, and that comes from the song Dr. Doctor by New Pollution, my band New Pollution. So without further ado, and these might be some of my favorites as well. They're all my favorites, I said I would say that. So I only got one of them, but the same piece comes in two different colors, and that is why I decided to call them Little by Little from Dr. Doctor. Oh my god, this is so effing pretty. I love it. This is one of the two chokers from Never Take It Off that I have done, and it is just absolutely adorable. It is the classic holographic choker. However, it has my little name tag in the middle as well as a shiny little heart because I definitely had to take it up a notch than usual. That would stay in the middle. I'm gonna put this one on, however it's gonna be clashing with my other one, but whatever. So let's just pretend that it's tight. I have it on tight enough to stay up here for now, just so it stays away from that other one. Oh my god, look at that shine, girl. Everybody's gonna be looking at you. If you would like a piece of my heart on your body at all times, A, cannibalism is an option, and B, buying my line from Never Take It Off is also an option. I love it. I literally love everything in this whole line. I love how it coordinates in color. I love how there's a piece for every outfit, every occasion. I am so excited to actually put on some of these bracelets in a second here and literally never take them off ever for the rest of my life. I really, really hope you liked some of these pieces. I know I don't really do videos like this very often, but I absolutely love doing unboxings, and it's even more so exciting that it's like my own little line that I designed. If any of you guys are interested in picking up any of these pieces or any Never Take It Off pieces from any of your favorite artists, singers, musicians, etc., the link will be in my description down below. However, it's just gonna be my link. It's gonna be NeverTakeItOff/HeyThereImShannon. I figured that one out midway through the video. If you're new here and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that bell and click all notifications. If you're not new here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I wanna chat with you guys. I'm looking forward to making more videos in the future. Right now, me and Carson are both in a bit of a limbo in terms of everything. We're living with my parents, so my room looks like garbage because it's temporary. We both have been working real jobs, which is something that is not exciting, but exciting. Taste of reality, I guess. So that's why we've been a little busy, a little bit off social media, and honestly, more than anything, New Pollution is just taking up a lot of our behind the scenes time. We just did a new demo in the studio in Atlanta, which probably will not see the light of day for quite a minute because we're still trying to work on some music videos for the first EP before anything happens with a new one or an album or a single or whatever we're planning on doing. I can't quite tell you yet. But right now we really have our sights set on a Dr. Doctor music video. So if you would like that, again, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this line, and I would love to follow every single person who orders something from my Never Take It Off line, because it helps me so much, and it just means so much that you would put something that I created on your body, tie it on, and never take it off. Please, if you purchase something, hit me up on Twitter or Instagram so I can follow you back and send you a loving DM. Thank you guys so much for loving me and loving everything I do, and I really, really, really love you guys to the moon and back. And I will see you in my next video, which leave me suggestions for that as well, what you'd like to see. Love you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye!